side. He didn't go. And here is Bob Davidson between innings talking to a young fan here at Fenway.
You want this? What's your name? Jacob, you got to take the oath. You got to raise your right hand. Repeat after me. I, Jacob, do solemnly swear to never ever yell at an umpire for as long as I may live.